Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to change the user interface in your vivaldi browser to compact and on your computer. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to change the user interface to compact in your vivaldi browser, just going to show in this video. So for that, first of all, open your browser, then click on the setting option on the bottom section, click on the setting, or you can just use Ctrl F12 to open this setting. Now you have the lot of options here. You just need to click on the appearance. So after clicking on the appearance, just swipe down. You can find an option called user interface density. It's actually on regular. You just need a compact. Click on the compact option, which you can see how the changes look like. And you have more option to compact the menu layout. If you just need it, you can just click this and it should have restart to take a full effect. So this is how we just switch to the normal to the compact option on your vivaldi browser on your computer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.